Hey guys, I'm Dinosaur today. We're back with some more videos again today. Today we're back for some more FNAF Ultimate Custom Night Part 4. Nightmares Attack to complete. Ew! Hey guys, more videos again. Guys, we're getting near to the end of the FNAF Custom Night. I want to do some more videos. I might do a different one again on Saturday, maybe. Alright guys, let's go. Shut up, dick!
My name is Davidv,
Okay.
and welcome back again for some more 5 Nights at Freddy's. Today we're going to do more Ultimate Custom Night. Today, challenges, we've just previously done Bears Attack 1. Now we're going to do Bears Attack 2. Will be a bit harder than last time. So today, we're going to try and beat Bears Attack 2 challenge. Hopefully we can try and beat that first try. You think? Right, let's go.
Oh, sound shoot! Alright, calm down.
I think this is with Toy Freddy. I think it's like and shut the doors. It's hard to explain, but
29. What?
I'll go Freddy. Oh, there. If this comes back,
I'm gonna do. Oh, it is right there. Seems hard this time. Got more Freddy's playing games. And yeah, that thing.
and those things too.
Yeah, that's alright.
1 a.m. Once again, another classical 5 Nights at Freddy's. Oh, here it comes. Laughing.
Who's who? Oh, there he is on the vent. Yes, him as well. No jump scares in the first 2 minutes. That's cool. You know what that song?
So,
Oh,
you
balls.
know, in the previous,
So laughing, dick face.
I beat Bears Attack 1.
We're laughing for hell. Satan's hell.
But
Shut up.
jeez. So this will be a bit
There.
harder than last time.
There, look, Denver's high. There you go, 96, 5, 4, 3. 90, 89, 88. There we go. Yeah. No fuckers again, sickness hell. Shush.
Depositing 5 coins.
5. This seems more interesting this time. Bit of a boring start to the video, but that's good. It seems a better player this time. It's me. Yeah, I know, face. Dickness. Hey.
Again,
Hey.
Molten Freddy.
Molten Freddy. Hey, parrot again. Shush. Go away. Shut up.
That's bad coins.
That's smart to use more fast coins. Yeah, I know.
Shush.
No jump scares yet. That's odd. No jump scares yet.
Away, man. That was about 1 or 2 right there. Well, there was 1, but there was 2.
Mouth closed. Shush.
Find
Please deposit 5 coins.
No 5 coins.
Please deposit
Shut up.
5 coins.
who's behind him. Who's behind, you know.
Hey, puppet. What? Where's your angrity face? This shit.
Oh,
Never mind.
damn. Damn. Oh. For the third time. Day. 5 coins.
5.
I was just shouting face.
Depositing 5 coins.
What's out for?
Woo. Woo. Oh, man.
What are you doing, dick? Oi. Sorry.
Oh,
I'm
ready?
sorry.
Got 16%. 4 a.m.
16%.
We could beat this.
That's not enough, is it? I think it will be. You know.
Look, in like 2 seconds.
Well, that's the record. No deaths so far. In the video, it's been more than 4 minutes. Yeah, that's very unusual for these videos. No jump scares yet.
Okay, I'll take it back. Who's took it?
Oh, sorry, right there. Say, calm down, doofus. What doofus? What do you mean by doofus, dick?
What's there? Okay, most of the Fred's been there about
Laughing
4
again?
times now.
I know.
Alright, 4 times. Yes, that's been.
4 times.
bird likes you, so I'll do ye a favor.
60 degrees. I repeat, 60 degrees.
Is that it?
Oh, 2%.
Yeah.
We're good. We're good. Oh, 1%.
I pop it. Yeah, I'm good.
Oh,
Yeah, no, that voice. That's from Oh no, power! No, power! Oh. Yes. Oh, then we get to see it. Yes! Me record! No! Don't say a word! Dinosaur, you know not to say it. I didn't say it as you did.
thank God it was a video. Like, subscribe so you can see
Wait, bloody hell!
on Saturday.
Bloody hell!
That's my iPhone 6.
Wait, what is it?
Oh, that's a friend I got for my birthday, remember? Yeah, my iPhone 6.
That was a very quick video. Yeah, only 1 death.
5 likes.
Holy shit! Guys, what? That was a very short video. Yeah, it was actually. And also that only 1 death and that was no. Hold a minute, no deaths. Oh yeah, just realised that there was no deaths, guys. Actually, guys, I might do 2 videos. After this video, I'll do a second one, like today. Okay. So you guys by one thing. Dinosaur dickhead, wasn't me? Yes, it was. Had to ruin it. You dinosaur. Okay, guys, see you guys soon. 1, 2, 3.